Hello everybody, my name is Nguyệt Ánh. I'm from CafeTek. Right now I'm holding on my hands a brand new Samsung Galaxy Zflip 3 5G. Samsung displays that the new way of expressing, capturing and socializing. So now we're gonna check this baby out. Okay. Check this out. First look, color. And yes, this phone came with a manual instruction, I believe. And what's in this? Oh, so you're telling me that I'm paid like $1,000 like for no charger? Cool. All right. First thing first, gotta be honest with you guys. I don't really love the design, as I'm not a fan of this color or this look. However, when I fold it in compact foam, it is actually an ultra portable device with thin and light design that fits in any pocket. Like, okay, I'll try to put it in my pocket here. Well, I'm wearing a skinny jean, you guys, and it fits quite well. And it's very convenient to take this phone with you, whether in your skinny jean pocket or even that tiny purses you carry. So I think that is a one plus side of this phone. And I think that the most concern that you guys are having right now is whether it's durable. Well, because of the folding and unfolding kind of thing, right? So I'm gonna try it like folding real fast. Well, the hinge feels kind of sturdy. Yeah, it feels kind of sturdy, and I feel a lot of resistance whenever I try to like unfold it. And you can try it like fold it one-handed. However, if you try to unfold it, it's not that easy. Okay, see? Okay, and look at the outer display or the cover screen. This is such a huge change compared to the Zflip. And in Zflip, you can only use the cover screen, like it's much smaller. Like, well, to check to the cover the phone and check the time, or maybe get a few little snippets of your notification. The Zflip 3 offers a larger external display, as in 1.9 inches, that can frame the perfect shots when taking a selfie or shooting with friends, using quick shot in dual preview, well, according to Samsung. Well, you can also check a message or notification on the cover screen with a new message rolling with viewing support. As for the outer display, I believe that Samsung had this a really great job this time, while compared to the previous one. As you can see that the hinge really steady. I feel really steady, and when you fold it right here, like all you see is a straight line, and when you touch it from the top to the bottom, it feels really smooth. And I gotta admit, this is good. And when you hold it like that, well, compared to the Zflip, the feeling is much more steady, and you don't feel like that it's made of kind of like not expensive material, but now totally different. I feel different, and this phone look different. I really love this. Talking about the display, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be featuring a 6.7-inch foldable main screen. It's such a unique device that, and as far as I know, there is no other device on the market that can unfold vertically to showcase a massive 6.7-inch like the Z Flip can. On the primary display will be offer a resolution of 1080 pixels, a dynamic AMOLED panel, a massive 120 Hz refresh rate, as I mentioned before, and a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for protection against scratches. On the outside, the device will be offered a small 1.9-inch screen with a resolution of 512 pixels. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 offers Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor under the hood. However, this chip is the hottest chip in the market, literally and figuratively, the most popular and the most heat-inducing. Our concern is that with multiple tasks in the long time, can it be cooled off easily or durable for users? Because we wouldn't want that feeling like holding a boiling pot. Am I right? And software-wise, the handset will boot Android 11 with the brand's One UI 3.1 out of the box. The device will also feature face unlock functionality for additional security. Hi there! And as for the cameras, I believe that you guys have been waiting for me to talk about that. Am I right? Okay, so Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a 12 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8 and optical image stabilization. Wow. There will be an additional 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens on board the phone with an aperture of 2.2. For selfies and video calling purposes, the device will have a 10 megapixel 2.4 camera on the front. You can't believe what I'm looking right now in my front camera. I'm like, well, I don't know, like, is there any beautifier or filter here? Like, hey, damn, gorgeous. Okay, and for the back camera, and I think that this picture is like, well, it's a huge difference from the previous phone or many Samsung phone. Whenever you take a picture with Samsung phone, the result that you got back always get intensified. Like the color get more color like that. But if you use this phone, like somehow it's more like natural and, well, to extent that is acceptable and realistic. So I would give it a plus. Lastly, a 3300 milliamp hours battery with fast and wireless charging support will keep the whole package alive. Well, but with the extra like 6.7 inch primary screen here and the 120 Hz, as I say, adaptive refresh rate, we concerned that will our battery life keep up with this? Like if you play your games or you work on heavy tasks in the long hours, would it keep up? So that is what we're concerned. Alright, so that is what we got from our first look with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. And what do you guys think about our opinion? Would you think the same or would you think differently? And would you buy it? Would you give it a shot? Let us know in the comment section below. Your thinking is matter to us.